how to send money from Apple Pay to Cash App. Now, in order to do this, first you will need to have a cash card. You can get one by clicking on the bank icon here, and then you will see get your free card here. It's going to be a debit card at the very top. If you already have a Cash App card, then we can proceed. You will open up the wallet app on your iPhone. Then you want to select the plus sign. Here you will choose debit or credit card, and it should probably look like this. You will click on continue, and then you will need to select enter card details manually. From here you will type your name, which is connected to your Cash App card, and also your cash card number. Once you type out your number, then you will click on next, go through the prompts, and then once you connect those cards, you can transfer money from and to Apple Pay and Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.